Hi guys, I'm Shalaka Pawar and you are watching The True Gourmand. In today's episode, I am at the Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory is this famous outlet that you see everywhere across US. So I'm in Vegas, but you'll see a lot of outlets in California as well. I've been to SF before this and I've been to Cheesecake Factory there as well, and the Cheesecake Factory is amazing. You get a huge menu here, right from chicken wings to steaks to everything. But it's Cheesecake Factory and it's famous for its cheesecake, and it all started with their original cheesecake. So I have ordered for an original cheesecake here and I'm going to take a taste of it. Nice. This is how cheesecake should be. Absolutely wonderful. Guys, visit the Cheesecake Factory. I have opted for original, but they have like tons of options, right from chocolate to Oreo to lemon, everything. You can literally come here every day and try one flavor. I'll see you guys in the next episode of True Gourmand. Till then, bye-bye.
Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notification.